Today I will be showing you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and reviewing the basic controls in a Zoom meeting. First, you will start by signing into your Zoom account. Next, once you're signed in, you will want to click on the schedule option located on the Home tab. Then you'll want to update the topic of your meeting. In addition, you will want to update any of the meeting details such as the date of the meeting, the time of the meeting, as well as the duration of the meeting. Once you've updated all of the meeting details, you will simply click Save and begin the process of adding your guests or attendees to your meeting. You'll notice here, when I click Add Guests, I can simply type in an email address of a guest or simply choose a contact from my contact list. Once I've added my guests to my meeting, they will receive an email invitation with all of the Zoom meeting details in the email to join the meeting. Use some of the basic Zoom meeting controls. Here you'll notice you have the mute and unmute function. You'll also see that you have a start or stop video function that allows you to have your camera on or off. You have the invite function, the manage participants function. You also have the share screen function that allows you to share your screen in the event that you're presenting material. You have the chat function that allows attendees as well as yourself to send messages back and forth. You have the record function to record your meeting. And then finally, you have the leave meeting function that allows you to end or leave the meeting.